A delicious new plate. Welcome to keto. Imagine a plate piled high with fresh greens, juicy salmon drizzled with olive oil, and a side of creamy avocado. This isn't just a healthy meal, it's an example of the delicious world of keto. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is all about embracing foods rich in healthy fats, moderate protein, and very few carbs. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, oily fish, and leafy greens. This way of eating might sound different from what you're used to, but that's okay. Keto is about shifting your perspective on food and discovering a new way to nourish your body. Ready to dive in and discover the ins and outs of keto? Let's go! Keto Unveiled, fueling your body differently. So, how does keto actually work? It's all about changing your body's primary fuel source. Normally, your body runs on glucose, which comes from carbohydrates. But on a keto diet, you significantly reduce your carb intake. This forces your body to become a fat-burning machine. This metabolic state is called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver converts fat into ketones, which are then used as an alternative energy source by your brain and muscles. Think of it like switching from gasoline to electricity to power your car. It's a different fuel, but it gets the job done. Now, let's explore the exciting benefits of this metabolic shift. Keto's winning streak. The good news. Many people turn to keto for its potential health benefits, and for good reason. This low-carb, high-fat diet has been gaining popularity for its impressive results. Let's explore some of the most celebrated advantages of the keto lifestyle, which have been backed by numerous studies and personal success stories. First and foremost, keto is well known for its effectiveness in weight loss. Many individuals have experienced significant transformations by following this diet. By limiting carbs, you reduce insulin spikes, which can lead to fat storage. This process helps your body become more efficient at burning fat. Keto helps your body tap into those stubborn fat reserves for energy, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Keto can also be a game changer for blood sugar control. This is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. By reducing carb intake, you minimize blood sugar fluctuations, which is particularly helpful for individuals managing type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. And that's not all. Many keto enthusiasts report increased energy levels and improved mental clarity. This can lead to better productivity and overall well-being. Fewer carb crashes mean more sustained energy throughout the day. Sounds pretty good, right? With all these benefits, it's no wonder keto has become a popular choice for many. Keto's potential pitfalls. Navigating the challenges. While the keto diet offers many potential benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Understanding these challenges can help you navigate the diet more effectively and maintain your health. Knowledge is power, after all. Being informed allows you to make better decisions and stay on track with your health goals. One common experience is the keto flu. This is a temporary condition that some people encounter when they first start the diet. As your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel, you might temporarily experience fatigue, headaches, or nausea. These symptoms can be uncomfortable but are usually short-lived. These symptoms are usually mild and subside within a few days. Staying hydrated and getting enough rest can help alleviate these issues. Another consideration is the potential for nutrient deficiencies. Since the keto diet restricts certain food groups, it's crucial to ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals from the foods you do eat. Planning your meals carefully and incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help you avoid these deficiencies and stay healthy. Finally, it's essential to remember that keto might not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain medical conditions. Individual health needs vary, and what works for one person might not work for another. Consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes is always a wise decision. They can provide personalized advice and help you determine if the keto diet is right for you. Section 5. Keto Made Easy. Practical tips for success. Ready to embrace the keto lifestyle? It's an exciting journey that can transform your health and well-being. Here are some handy tips to help you thrive on the diet. First, plan your meals. Meal planning is a game changer. Having a meal plan can help you stay on track and avoid impulsive, non-keto-friendly choices. It keeps you focused and prepared. Think delicious recipes with healthy fats, moderate protein, and plenty of low-carb veggies. Second, stay hydrated. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water is crucial on any diet, but it's especially important on keto. Water supports your metabolism and overall health, but it's especially important on keto. Adequate hydration helps with electrolyte balance and can prevent constipation, a common side effect of the diet. Adequate hydration helps with electrolyte balance and can prevent constipation, a common side effect of the diet. Consider adding electrolytes to your water. Third, don't fear healthy fats. Embrace them wholeheartedly. Fats are your friend on keto. They are essential for energy and satiety. Embrace avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These foods are nutrient-dense and delicious. These healthy fats will keep you satiated and provide your body with the energy it needs. They make your meals satisfying and enjoyable. Lastly, listen to your body. Your body knows best. Pay attention to how your body feels on keto. Everyone's experience is unique. If you experience any severe or persistent side effects, don't ignore them. Don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for guidance. They can provide personalized advice to ensure your success on the keto journey. Section 6. Your keto journey begins. Embrace the change. Starting a new way of eating can feel daunting, but remember that every journey begins with a single step. Be patient with yourself, and don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. The keto diet is about more than just restrictions. It's about discovering delicious, nourishing foods that make you feel your best. It's about fueling your body in a way that supports your overall health and well-being. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a vibrant community of keto enthusiasts out there eager to share recipes, tips, and support. Section 7. Keto Resources. Find your tribe. The internet is a treasure trove of information and support for those on a keto journey. Here are a few places to start your search. Websites and blogs. Reputable health and nutrition websites often have dedicated sections on the keto diet. Look for evidence-based information and recipes. Social media groups. Connect with fellow keto enthusiasts on social media platforms. Many groups offer recipe ideas, motivational support, and a sense of community. Mobile apps. Several apps are designed to make following a keto diet easier. These apps often include carb trackers, recipe libraries, and progress trackers. Remember to be discerning with the information you find online and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Section 8. A final word. Listen to your body. The ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. Listen to your body, be mindful of potential risks, and seek guidance from healthcare professionals when needed. With the right approach, you can embrace the keto lifestyle and unlock its potential benefits. Remember, your health journey is uniquely yours. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and never hesitate to seek support when you need it.